The road is long and dusty, the stones that bruise my feet. The road is fast and burning, kinda weary from the heat. But I won't lay my burdens down until my journey is complete. Pass beneath again unto the city of your praise. Oh, Jerusalem, my Jerusalem. Oh, we're going on, my to Jerusalem. Oh, Jerusalem, my Jerusalem. Oh, we're going up to Jerusalem. Oh, perfection of beauty. Perfection of beauty, the joy of all the earth is mine. Oh, Jerusalem. Oh, her gates are filled with honor, and her courts with praise. She's my city of truth and holiness. My Jerusalem. Oh, Jerusalem. Whoa. We're going on, Jerusalem. Oh, Jerusalem, Jerusalem. Oh, we're going on, hallelujah. Oh, by the river of Babylon. By the river of Babylon, yeah, we sat down when we remember Zion. And how can I forget thee? Oh, my Jerusalem, oh, my city is my city of truth and holiness. Oh, my Jerusalem, my Jerusalem. Oh, we're going up, hallelujah, Jerusalem. Oh, let's worship this morning, my Jerusalem. Oh, the city, Jerusalem. All Jerusalem dwellers. Oh, we're going up to worship. Hallelujah. My Jerusalem. Oh, Jerusalem. Yes, sir, Jerusalem. Oh, we're going up. We're going. My mind to Jerusalem. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, hallelujah, Jerusalem. Oh, we're going up, we're going. Oh, let's stand and worship as we give God praise. Jerusalem, oh, Jerusalem, Jerusalem, my Jerusalem. Oh, we're going up, yes, sir, Jerusalem, my Jerusalem, the city, Jerusalem. Oh, we're going up to Jerusalem. Oh, we're going up, we're going up to Jerusalem. We're going on to Jerusalem. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah.